Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band. Legacies, family, fancy, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacies, family, fancy, panda. Pockets full, Danny, silent ball, candy. Man on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to for Grammy. The nigga pull up your bandit, hope you killers understand it.
Snoop Dogg. You know what happened with the D.R.E. Yeah. You know who's back up in this motherfucker.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about